Hello, my name's Sean. I'm a Tint Man Window Tinting. Here we have the new generation Tesla Model Y that did Xpel XR Plus 70 on the whole windshield and 30 on the front two doors, and then 55 on top of the rear windows to get it to 15, so everything is Florida legal. I'm going to show you what that is on the rear windows. That's XR Plus 55 on top of 24. So let's see what that does with the meter. Again, the law says 15. So we are at 14.7. You know, the funny thing is I measured the other side, and I believe it was at 15 point something. Let's see if that's still the case. Tesla's known for not having the most accurate windows when it comes to the shape of them. So perhaps the same thing with the darkness. Yeah, look at that, 15.7. So again, I did 55 on all the rear windows, and this door is reading 15.7. And then we'll come back over here. And it's reading 14.8. It's almost a 1% difference from one side to the other. Again, 15 is what the law is, and that's why the meters, if a cop pulls you over, they're supposed to give you about 2 to 4%. So look here, the front two doors is 28.7. Again, the law is 28 on the front two doors, and notice it's rejecting 100% of ultraviolet rays and 99% of the infrared heat. That is the direct heat. It's going to reject over 60% of the total solar heat, which is the outside temperature. And then on the rear windows, we are rejecting 100 on the UV and then 99.9 on the infrared. So let's see the same thing happens on the front door. Again, Tesla's known for not being accurate. Like, the computer will cut it out perfect on one side, and then it can be big on the other side, and then we have to come back with a file and file it. So look at that, there's a difference. 29.0, which is legal. Again, that's 70 on the whole windshield. And 28. So it's pretty close to the same on that one. Anyways, this is our Mineola location. We do have a waiting area if you need to wait for your vehicle, or you can drop it off like your customer did. As you see, we have a nice comfortable area. We have snacks and coffee, water. You can chill out up here. We have the different films that you can look at on the sample books. We have our heat lamps where you can feel the different films. Then we have plenty of information about our residential and commercial window tinting. This location is at the corner of US Highway 27 and Education Avenue. Notice we have this big vehicle here. That's for our scaffolding and ladders for residential and commercial window tinting. We are not mobile because we do everything in a closed climate controlled bay at all 5 locations. You can learn where all those locations, prices, films, and more at tintmanfl.com.